burpee. Now remember to keep your core tight, and if you want to make this more difficult for yourself, you can do a full burpee, which includes a push-up at the bottom. This is also if you want to increase your upper body strength. Apart from that, do remember to look after your knees by landing softly on your heels. Jumping lunges is going to be the most difficult exercise of the entire HIIT workout. So as you're doing the alternating jumping lunges on the spot, you want to be stopping your knee just shy of the ground so as not to smash it, and you also want to be keeping your rear leg as vertical to the ground as possible. Up next, we've got jump squats. You don't have to go really deep for these, but when you're coming back down, do remember to land softly on your heels so that your knees don't get injured. Okay, up next we've got thigh taps. Now remember, for this, you don't have to keep jumping non-stop. What you do have to do, however, is keep bouncing even if you can't jump just yet. And also remember to land softly on the balls with your feet so that your knees don't take an unnecessary beating. Alright, unlike jump squats, your squats should be deep. Your quads should be at least parallel to the ground, if not lower, and when you are at the top of the movement, similar to the bridge, you should be squeezing your glutes to be getting the most out of this workout. Simple as that.
Yeah!